Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fuzi Bash, where I teach you different ways to make money easy online and how to become a worker from home freelancer. All over the internet lately, everyone is talking about OpenAI and ChatGPT and how to make money easy with this amazing software. I have been having so much fun testing out and learning about this software the past week, and I am really enthusiastic to talk to you about 3 or 5 different ways that you can make money easy using this software. Before we get started, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So let's get into it. First of all, what is OpenAI? So like you see here in screen, I'm showing you OpenAI, and from there we're going to move to ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Well, what better way to explain it than asking ChatGPT itself, what are you? So I asked ChatGPT to explain itself and how it works in a way that students or children could understand. And they say quite simply, ChatGPT is a computer program that can understand and respond to what you say, just like human. ChatGPT is large language model trained by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text and can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and question. It works by looking at the word you write or you say and trying to understand the meaning behind them. Then it uses what it's learned to come up with a response that makes sense. It is like having a really smart robot as friend that you can talk to. It's an amazing software. It analyzes. I can't even imagine how much data to give you answers to your questions, but it can do much more than that. So what we can use it to make money? Well, the first of all, ChatGPT is now exposed and it's completely free, and you can sign up with your email account. Last week there were at capacity and you could not sign up, but now you can. So if you check the link in the description below this video, so the first way that you can make money easy online with the software, you could do copywriting, script writing, and content creation.